Need to fix Cloudflare error? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, move into the website Cloudflare and then refresh the page. Tap and hold the page and then swipe it down. It will refresh the website. Once it has been refreshed, now the next thing you want to do is click on this icon. You will see all the website history of Cloudflare. Tap and hold it and then click on delete. Delete all the website of Cloudflare. Once it has been deleted, now you need to close the tab of Cloudflare. Once it has been removed, now the next thing you want to try doing is in the address bar search for Cloudflare outage. And then head over to this site. From here you can check whether the server of Cloudflare is down or not. If the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Or else try checking the internet connection. You have to make sure that you are connected to stable internet. If not, try using cellular data. After that, move into the settings of a device. Now simply head over to General. Scroll down and move into VPN and Device Management. You have to make sure that the VPN is disabled and it is not connected to any of it. Once done, you can also try changing the web browser. Try using Google Chrome or many more, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.